How to do the photo trend on TikTok. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you exactly how to do the photo trend on TikTok, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So what I'm going to do to begin with is to go into my TikTok app. And now when I'm on my TikTok app, then I need to go into my profile and then I need to click on this plus symbol in the bottom middle basically. And in here we need to click where it says upload. Perfect. Now when we're taken to this page, then we need to just choose the photos that we want to have. So I'm just going to choose some photos. I'm going to choose this 4 right here. So this 4, you can see that it says 1, 2, 3, and 4, and that is the order that I want the photos to go basically. So, and if you want to change, you can also change the order. That's no problem. You can just, like, for example, cancel some of them here in the bottom, and then you can start off again. And make sure that you have the right order. And when you do, then just click where it says next in the basically bottom right corner. Perfect. And now it's just going to load. Great. As you can see, the photo is basically swiping automatically right now. And also you can see that it says switch to video mode. Don't click there, because if you click on switch to video mode, then this will not work. But now as you can see, you do have the photo trend on TikTok because they are swiping right now. And if you don't have this option right here, then it might be because you haven't updated your TikTok. So check if there's any update for your TikTok and then try again. So yeah, let me know in the comments below if you have any questions and I will try to answer to as many as I can, so don't hesitate to ask. And also don't forget to leave a like on this video and please subscribe to my channel because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be useful to you. Thank you very much for watching and I wish you a great day.